Now I talked about the diesel heater in the van, and this is the control panel, which even when it's switched off it illuminates the van when we're trying to sleep, because we've got blackout blinds in this van. And so I've made this little plastic cover which goes over the top, and as it was Valentine's Day, Jane, not so long back, Jane made these little wooden hearts for me, and I've just glued one on the front, and all it is a bit of plastic and a bit of U-channel aluminium, and it just goes over the top. It doesn't press the buttons in, and it just makes the van dark, so it's not shining. If you're sleeping with your head here, the light would shine down and annoy you from getting to sleep. So that's done.